Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the file messenger ready. Save as PPTX or export to PDF so compatibility is clear. Once done, reduce large media. PowerPoint's compress media reduces size without ruining quality. Now open Messenger on desktop or web, choose the person or group you want. Click the paperclip or plus button to attach a file. You're acting now. Do not upload before confirming file format and size, so the transfer won't fail mid-upload. If the file is large, you switch to a cloud link. This avoids Messenger's attachment limits and preserves full quality. Upload to OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox and set sharing to anyone with the link or to specific recipients. This controls access. Once the upload finishes, copy the share link and paste it into the chat. Make sure to add a short note explaining what file it is. Recipients can preview or download from the link, which keeps the chat lightweight and reliable. Send the attachment or link and request a quick confirmation that the recipient received and can open it. If the transfer fails, try converting to PDF, smaller and more universally viewable, or split the deck into 2 files and send sequentially. You can also create a zip archive to reduce size. As a single troubleshooting tip, if Messenger rejects the file repeatedly, upload to cloud storage and share the link instead. That solves nearly all size and format issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.